Hi guys, this is like a quick review video. Wasn't sure about doing this video. Not sure when I'll release it either. I am using Farah. This has just been a lot of stuff going on lately. I did realize at some point, not sure when I'll be uploading it though. But obviously I've purchased quite a few things from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I was actually really looking forward to when the cremated collection came out. So obviously because I've done my makeup today, I can't bother to like take it off and redo it for the eyeshadow palette. So before I do the cremated palette, I thought I would do the glosses. So once I started, I use the Shane Dawson gloss, which actually really nice. I'm someone that never wears lip gloss for multiple reasons, and using that lip gloss has gave me reason to wear lip gloss instead of like putting lipstick on. So also this mirror is like so useful, and I want to get like hand mirrors. I don't know, some good hand mirror brands. If you know any, leave some down below. So we got 4 shades, and that's good. It doesn't break. Yeah, we got lightest. Seems like the second lightest. Second darkest, and the darkest one, which seems almost black. So we're gonna go from the lightest shade to the darkest shade. So the first shade is Heaven's Gate. I'm just gonna swatch these. I do think I unboxed these all on like the unboxing video I had. So yeah. So pretty. So it's like shade and oh, this is like very silvery colour. I'm not sure how the lighting is by here. I'm really apologise. Like today the weather's been like so shit. So yeah, it's got like a really white top on it. So brush that out. I'm gonna go with Colorless Kiss. So this is like on the box. Seems like slightly like sort of blurry feel to it. It's like very grey. It's like some sort of like goldish pigment in it. Like when the light hits it, it's got like sort of like gold shine to it. And then the third one, which sometimes seems to last like could be gold, and more just pure silver, which is Funeral Parlour. That just looks like it's pure silver. Take it out. And it's like, well, not also like next to it makes Colorless Kiss look like it's gold. And like obviously because they're lip glosses, they're very translucent, but it does have like a lot of shine and sparkle. So I have a feeling like you would want like some metallic lipsticks to put these under, and my phone's gonna die soon because sometimes charged all day, and I didn't put on charge last night because usually I like to leave my phone charged. So we got 6 feet under, so it seems like black. Yes, basically black though. Coming out it seems a lot more grey. And it's not shiny. Yeah, I don't think. not shiny as the other ones. It's less glitter and also okay. So I think so far probably like nicest one seems like would be Heaven's Gate, and then obviously Funeral Parlour, and also First One Coroner's Kiss, all 6 feet under. Unless perhaps I wore lipstick. Because just doing lip gloss in general. So I'm gonna go with Heaven's Gate right now. Just apply that on. I'm just pulling it because I don't have any lipstick on, so my lips are really dry and crusty as hell. Like that's it. I actually really like this. Like just as a lipstick on its own, like it has like a really three-dimensional shine. Just makes my lipstick like a lot more shiny than just normal lip gloss would. Obviously, it's still like white glitter, so it will. I do find it's really difficult wearing this as its own with my makeup as it is. So yeah, just take that off. So I'm basically wearing a full face except for lipstick because I just forgot to put lipstick on today. Okay, so far definitely my favourite. I can just wear this like over the top of lipstick, or this would go with any lipstick, even if it's not just white lipstick. I'm just on wearing lipstick, I just want lip gloss, which I always just do. I'm paranoid about putting lip gloss over lipstick because I feel like it's gonna ruin lip gloss, like the actual tube or something. So now we're going in with, I believe, Coroner's Kiss, which is just like a golden one. It's almost makes it like lipstick. This like almost looks like I'm wearing lipstick. I actually really like it. I'm actually not sure I feel about this now. So if I want like so much fun swatched on hand, but it like okay, so there's like still tinges of like gold, but I also like it's like slightly grayer. So I actually like this. Like again, I think this would work obviously as it is like really well without any lipstick on underneath. It's like say, okay, so like I am going with lipstick on, so my lips seem quite light pinkish sort of red tone to it. So yeah, it makes that feel looking more sort of darker. I kind of like that. So I'm not sure which one I prefer. It's like a tie between those two actually. It's like it's got gold on, so it does bring out the colour pigment in the lips anyway still. Obviously, as I'm assuming you do wear lipstick underneath them, but I'm just doing this without lipstick. So now we've got Funeral Parlour.
don't.
Like, it just has... It's basically Honest Kiss, but without the gold tinge into it, just making it pure silver. But this one is a bit darker, but I do actually prefer this one because I feel like it's more...
Some dimension to it, and like if he wasn't wearing lipstick underneath,
like it would make your normal natural colour of your lips show more.
I feel like that one you have to wear some form of
Like
maybe like grey, black or white
lipstick underneath.
Make it look less natural,
I guess.
So now we got the last one,
Which is 6 Feet Under, which is a very grey,
almost black colour. Like on the box it gives me like...
It's supposed to be black in a way, like a very shiny
black, but it seems more like a really, really
dark grey.
I just love the tops, I think it's so cute. I don't think Jeffree Star's a good person whatsoever.
But I love the makeup. So
I don't know if it is this still. I just love formulas and so designs like that. So I feel that's like me. So much more darker. I feel like I need to wear like a crimson lipstick underneath this. Like I have to wear lipstick for this basically. It's like it's coming up like so grey, like I'm just like
smear like a
really washed out grey liquid on my lip. It's like, is this shiny as the other ones? Does it feel like a much glitter? It's like you don't have to spread them out, like they don't clump.
for this one I feel like I have to spread it out. If I
Wasn't wearing lipstick underneath, like it works. These do really work
without wearing lipstick underneath, I will say that though.
This is really, really pretty, but I feel like I need to wear
Like some form of like
dark lipstick underneath because it does look actually fine without it.
I think now it's just applying it. So I feel like it'll work mainly if I was wearing like say a dark lipstick underneath, so like like a dark reddish lipstick or a dark nude lipstick or maybe dark nude lipstick, I'm not sure.
Or like just like black lipstick in general or grey lipstick. But I don't know.
I actually really like these. I do think it was worth
Purchase. I don't
tend to wear gold.
But
But this one,
Funeral Power. Probably my least favourite. I probably use this one less. This one I do prefer over that one. Mostly just like
I feel like it's more to it. Like it's basically just this, but more added to it. Like this is a finished version of that.
this one I just feel like would look great just as a lip gloss. Like if you just want a normal looking lip gloss but you want something more to it,
This is great. If you want like a really darker
theme to your lip gloss, this works. This actually works.
and because I'm not wearing lipstick
Underneath it does actually look like I'm wearing some form of dark
lipstick underneath it, but I feel like this would look great with just like some form of like red
lipstick.
like a dark red lipstick. I really want to try that soon.
No, it's like consistency to it, like it doesn't even feel like I'm wearing
lipstick, and I don't feel like I need to put much on. Like it feels quite
thick.
but then it's like it doesn't feel thick. I
don't feel like my life's sticking
to itself when I talk. Like it just
feels like I'm not wearing anything. I just think it feels like
I just chucked on a bit of Vaseline or something like that. So
I'm happy with this product. Oh, oops. I think I just smelled this. I don't know what it is. I feel like it smells like... Not sure if like hospitals' hand sanitizer pumps still smell
like this, but I remember them smelling like it when I was a kid.
Was that just me? Like, did Jeffree still like pour hand
Sanitizer into these because of the pandemic or something. I don't know, I just smelled that one. I'm just gonna try smelling the others real quick.
fucking good packaging? That one smells a lot more
Stronger.
Let's call this case.
Smells stronger with hand sanitizer.
I'm smelling. Or reminds me of hand sanitizer.
I guess.
This one not so much.
It's funeral parlour. It doesn't smell that much of it. Like that smells the least. That's my least.
Yeah, this doesn't smell of it at all. So it's like only heavy goods.
Smells of it and coroner's case.
And funeral parlour, there's like...
Yeah.
Does anyone else smell their products?